Welcome to the best picks. The best tent pole repair kit is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any camper or backpacker, ensuring that a sudden pole failure doesn't cut your adventure short. Imagine being miles from civilization, setting up camp after a long day's hike, only to discover a snapped or bent tent pole, a situation that can quickly turn a dream trip into a soggy, uncomfortable nightmare. This is where a reliable tent pole repair kit becomes your backcountry savior, offering a quick and effective solution to mend broken poles and restore the integrity of your shelter, allowing you to continue enjoying the great outdoors without compromise. Number 5. Better Boat Repair Tape. Don't let a small tear turn into a big problem. Our repair tape seals rips and holes instantly, preventing further damage. It's as simple as peel, stick, and done. Each roll provides 30 feet of durable, waterproof tape that you can cut to any size. It bonds strongly to a variety of materials like vinyl, canvas, and leather without needing special tools. Our adhesive is designed to withstand harsh conditions, just like it does on boats. It stays put through sun, salt, and storms, ensuring your repairs last. This black tape blends perfectly with dark-colored awnings, covers, and tarps for a discreet repair. It's flexible enough to conform to curves and seams without peeling. Choose from clear for any color, or white for lighter materials, to achieve the least visible repair. Each roll offers plenty of tape for multiple fixes. What we like. This tape offers exceptional waterproofing and uses a marine-grade adhesive that is built to withstand harsh conditions. If you need a quick and reliable fix for tears in your RV awning, tent, or boat cover that will last through rain and sun, this is the solution for you. Its ease of use means you can patch damage in seconds without any special tools. What people say. This tent pole repair kit is a lifesaver for fixing broken tent poles. The kit includes multiple sizes of repair sleeves to fit different pole diameters. It's easy to use and provides a strong, durable repair for your tent poles. Number 4. COGHLAN'S Fiberglass Tent Pole Repair Kit. Don't let a broken tent pole ruin your outdoor adventure. This kit provides a fast and easy solution for on-the-spot repairs. Crafted with durable fiberglass, it ensures your shelter remains stable and secure. You can rely on it for lasting performance. Whether you're backpacking or camping, this is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Be prepared for any situation. Replacing damaged poles is simple and straightforward with the included components. Get your tent back in shape in no time. It's perfect for emergency situations, ensuring you always have a functional shelter. Keep your adventures going without interruption. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to replace broken tent poles, ensuring your shelter remains stable and secure. If you're an avid camper or backpacker who values quick, on-the-spot repairs to keep your adventure going, this is an essential item. It's designed for emergency situations and ensures your tent stands strong. What people say. Highly recommend fixing tent poles with this kit, especially if you've got a tent that's never leaked. I now have a sturdy replacement for the thinner fiberglass tent pole that came with my original tent. It's thicker, and won't bend as easily, but should last longer. This kit was easy to use, only thing I needed was a hacksaw to cut to the correct length, sandpaper to soften the burr, and a pair of locking medical pliers, hemostat, to pull out the old cord. Number 3. Stansport Camping Tent Kits. Introducing the Stansport Camping Tent Kits, designed to make your next camping trip the best yet. These kits provide the best products for all your camping needs. Each kit includes essential installation wire for a secure setup. You'll also find a shock cord, ensuring your tent stays firmly in place. The kit comes with 4 sturdy poles and ferrules. These provide reliable support for your tent, ensuring stability in various conditions. Designed for versatility, these components fit most dome tents. You can easily upgrade or repair your existing tent with this universal solution. With shock cord and installation wire included, you have everything necessary for a successful tent setup. Enjoy your camping adventures with confidence. What we like. This kit comes with multiple poles and ferrules, offering a versatile solution for various dome tents. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to handle multiple pole replacements or have a common dome tent that needs repair, this is a practical choice. It ensures you have the parts needed to restore your tent structure. What people say. The kit has parts to help you repair your tent pole. My repair took minor effort and tools. I had to cut my 2 fiberglass poles to the correct length. The kit and some effort saved a big 6-person tent from the garbage. 11 mm diameter sticks were longer than needed, which allowed me to cut them to my length. The Stansport camping tent kits, 11 mm, was a perfect repair for my Coghlan's and Dome 6-person dome tent that had a broken pole. The package came with all the accessories needed to replace the broken section. Number 2. Gear Aid Tent Pole Splint. Don't let a broken tent pole ruin your camping trip. This repair sleeve offers an instant fix for damaged poles. Crafted from anodized aluminum, this lightweight repair part is built to last for years. Its durable design ensures a reliable fix. Designed to fit most tent poles with a diameter smaller than 5/8 inches. It's a versatile solution for various repair needs. Weighing less than an ounce, you'll barely notice it in your gear. It's the perfect compact solution for on-the-go repairs. Our mission is to help you preserve and reuse your outdoor equipment. This repair splint is one way we help extend the life of your gear. Simply slide it over the broken section for a quick and effective repair. It's an easy-to-use solution that gets you back to your adventure. What we like. This repair sleeve is made of durable, lightweight aluminum, designed to instantly fix broken or bent tent poles. If you prioritize gear longevity and need a robust, long-term solution for your camping equipment, this splint is ideal. It's perfect for extending the life of your outdoor gear with a reliable mend. What people say. So easy to use. Just slip it over the damaged pole and duct tape each end. Works great. The diameter of my tent rod is 1/2 inch at the widest, and I got the 5/8 inch, and it worked perfectly and snugly, and my tent held strong. The splint is of good quality. Nice and small enough to pack away in your gear or tent bag. It fixed the pole enough to get him through the week, and it lasted on decent winds. Number 1. PatchJoy Tent Pole Shock Cord Repair Kit. Is your tent pole's shock cord worn out? We have the perfect solution for you. This repair kit is designed specifically for shock-corded fiberglass tent poles. It provides a reliable and easy way to replace your old, frayed shock cording. You'll receive 45 feet of high-quality elastic shock cord. Keep your tent poles in top condition with this essential replacement kit. What we like. This product offers a high-quality shock cord replacement specifically designed for fiberglass tent poles, providing a generous 45-foot length. If your existing tent pole shock cord is worn out or broken and you want to restore the flexibility and ease of assembly to your tent, this is the perfect replacement. It's ideal for anyone looking to maintain their tent's functionality. What people say. My granddaughter was able to restring all the tent poles herself. The tool made it super easy. Easy to install. My tent has 5 different poles and 3 were broke, but it only took 1 PK to fix all 3. Revitalize the tent poles, making the tent more usable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.